Per week, we need at least 25 kgs of rice.
25 kgs of rice per week.
Per week, and per day.
Per
so
day.
it's
Wow.
around 125 kgs, 125 kgs a week,
Right.
with equal quantity of chicken.
Okay.
So if the shelter is to the capacity maximum, which is around 140, the shelter, plus we have at least 30-35 free roaming
roamers, yeah.
dogs,
Yeah.
right? So in that way, we need per day, what is cooked is 25 kgs of rice and around 25 kgs of chicken, which is
Right.
skin, legs and curry cuts
Right.
together.
Right.
So then there are sometimes, people donate us maybe some vegetables like
Right.
red pumpkin, or
Okay.
there is soya, or there is grains, dal. Then we add that.
Right.
So then then we decide. So towards the end of the week, most of the ABC dogs, that's an animal birth control. ABC
Right.
is for animal birth control.
Right.
Those dogs are released, right? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we get in new dogs. By Friday, Saturday, the Monday dogs or Saturday dogs are released.
Right.
So then the
Right.
shelter capacity drops.
Correct.
So first 3-4 days, so depending on the number of dogs, we decide, the guy who cooks, he decides anything between 20 to 25 kgs of rice.
I see. So
Yeah.
I'm guessing this is a message for anybody who's watching. If you have a birthday coming up, if you just feel like doing this for the dogs and cats over here, the Ma'am Shweta has put forward the requirements. You could just get it from any place, right, ma'am? Any place?
Any place, but you don't have to buy the expensive rice, the basic,
Basic
ration rice.
Right.
Because
right.
instead of giving us, say, maybe 25 kg of good rice, you can give us 50 kgs of sada rice.
Correct.
That's a
correct.
calculation. Because for the
Correct.
dogs, it doesn't matter.
Correct.
Right?
Right.
So
I'm
Yeah.
guessing you guys can do this. I hope you watch this video. I hope something inside you awakens and you just drop in here or any other animal shelter and just donate some food for your fellow living beings. You've got to do that.